SHG is the place to be. Hello, this is Steve Gresham, founder of Savings Highway Global, and this is a brief tutorial on how to use your travel engine. I need to go to Los Angeles for a martial arts seminar and then a Christmas party or holiday party for Savings Highway Global. So we're going to get in our travel engine. This is our back office, and we're just going to come over here to Travel Engine, click on that. Now there's some tips here that say how to save big on travel. Click on weeks to see amazing deals on 8-day condo vacations. Search a city and a date first, not a specific hotel. That's very, very important. That's how you're going to find the best deals. And notice that we include tax on most bookings, where the other companies like Expedia and Booking.com, they gotcha at the end. There's no gotchas with SHG. You're going to see the final price. And you can also refer others so they can save on travel, and you earn lucrative commissions. Everyone wins. Click here to enter the travel engine. This right here is where you click on for weeks, where you can get amazing $1,500 weeks for as little as $300 with no timeshare presentations, just amazing savings up to 75% off. But I'm going to get a hotel for the weekend, so we're going to go over here to hotels, and we're going to type in Los Angeles. Click on it, put in the date, we're going for a weekend, and search. Right now, the engine is looking through $1 billion worth of inventory and also bringing up the prices for websites like Expedia so that you can see a direct comparison. It's amazing. All right, now I'm going to give you a little tip on how I like to search. We generally like to stay in 4 or 5 stars, so we're going to put 4 stars over here. And then I'm going to come down and put prices low to high. So what I'm doing is I'm searching for 4 stars or above with the best prices that we have, the lowest prices, okay? Now, when you first get here, it's going to automatically search by biggest percent savings. So you'll see here that this one, it's a 4-star, great deal, $443 for the public. The best price in public is $415 with tax, and we're at $281. Savings of $134 for the weekend. That's incredible. But I'm going to look a different way. I'm going to look by price low to high because I like to save money. Okay, we've got 44 hotels in Los Angeles on those dates. And I like the Hilton. This Millennium looks pretty good too. Check out the Millennium. Very nice. If I want to get the details on it, I can click here. It'll tell me if they have a pool, fitness center, whatever they have. And it will load up all the rooms here. But I think we're going to go for the Hilton. We like Hilton. And we're going to click for the pictures. It's got a nice pool and jacuzzi. Now, I called the hotel right before I made this video, and I asked them what's the very best deal they could give me. And it was like $340 for the weekend. That was the best I could get from them. And you'll see the public prices here, $346, $349. Our price is $275. This is real time, folks. No gimmicks, just real savings. I'm going to save $71 on that hotel for the weekend. I want to select the room. We wait just a second for the rooms to load. And this is what we want, a guest room with a king bed. There you go. We're going to book it. Now you'll also see that we're saving $70.98. In addition, we're earning reward credits, which can be used to get gift cards and for discounts on future trips. We can come down here, we can get coverage if we want, or if you don't want coverage. We'll choose the traveler that I've put in here, select, and we'll choose the card. We entered our card, we processed the reservation. Here we see I saved $70.98 off of the public price. I earned the reward credits, and I am excited. I'm going to the Hilton Los Angeles Airport for the weekend. Incredible. Got my room, and here I can print my invoice. Because you're a member If you're building a business and you do some business and your primary reason is for business, for the trip, and I'm going to a Christmas party for Savings Highway Global, this becomes a tax deduction for me. Not only that, the airplane tickets, the hotels, some of the dining, the clothes, so many things become tax deductions. That's why we're on workcations. We'll work and we'll cation. It's incredible. Save money, make money, or both. Have fun. Travel the world with SHG. Now I'm going to show you one more thing for the weeks because it's just too cool not to show you. We're going to go to weeks. And let's say we want to go anywhere in the world, from the United States, Canada, Aruba, Jamaica, Europe, Australia, Western Australia, South America, Central America, Africa, anywhere they have nice resorts. Now, owning a Savings Highway membership is just like owning a $20,000 timeshare without ever having to pay the $20,000, without any maintenance fees, and without blackout dates or swapping points or any of that stuff. As a matter of fact, a lot of timeshare salespeople are actually joining Savings Highway Global because of the tremendous value and the ease at which they can sign new members up and help them save a ton of money on their travel. Let's say we want to go to Florida, Orlando, home of Disney. Now, this is kind of mind-blowing, but I want you to understand this is not $271 a night. This is $39 a night. This is for an entire week, $271, $296, $301, $318 for a week, $328 a week. Look at this. Here's a very nice one. Courtyard Orlando, Lake Buena Vista at Marriott Village, $338 a week. Beautiful pool, nice rooms, classy place. $338 for an entire week in a beautiful place in Orlando, Florida. Now let's say we want to go to Las Vegas, which I love to do. You can just search for within 35 days. You don't need to put a date in here, and just search. Can you imagine nice resorts in Las Vegas for $300 and $400 for an entire week? Look at this, Planet Hollywood, $494 for an entire week. It's only $71 a night. You're literally saving 30, 50, 75% off of the public rates. Check out the images, book your weeks, no timeshare presentations. Man, look at that beautiful view. This is exciting. Wow, look at this. Just incredible. Can you see yourself in that tub with that view, having a good time in Vegas? Folks, this is life-changing. And don't forget, by sharing Savings Highway Global with others, they get access, instant access to these incredible deals, just like you. Travel is a multi-trillion-dollar industry. How much of that money do you want in your pocket? All you have to do is share this with other people, give them these amazing deals all around the world, 141 countries, and you get paid month after month, year after year. Thank you for joining our mission to help 1 million families and beyond get out of debt, become debt-free, live an entirely better lifestyle, really enjoy their life. This is what SHG is all about. What is your SHG life gonna do for you? Let's share it today. God bless you. See you over the top. Get the word out today. Plan your vacation. Save money. Save, share, and prosper. This is Steve Gresham, founder of Savings Highway Global, welcoming you. And we'll see you not at the top, but over the top, because you're going to help so many people save money. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you on the beaches and the mountains of the world.